Dear scholars, we have been learning a lesson, the souvenir. Here, this word means remembrance, something which is kept as remembrance of the person, place, or thing. So, through the previous video, you came to know that what Siley and her friends experienced on the moon, how they enjoyed the program of Skywatch, and how they enjoyed the circus on the moon. Here, let us see the remaining part of the story, what the children did on the third day, that we have to learn through this video, as well as how the trip ended, that also we will learn through this video. So here our paragraph begins with on the third day. So let us see what is it. On the third day, their teacher took them to a place of historical importance. What is that? 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. So everyone was looking forward to this visit to historical monument. Here monument means memorial. It was the oldest place in the history of man on the moon. The first footprint of Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moon land. Beside the footprint was a grand statue of Armstrong. At the base of the statue were carved the first words uttered by a human on the moon. And what are those? One small step for man, one giant leap of mankind. So, what is this paragraph about? What children saw on the third day of their trip, that is the historical monument. What was that? The footprint of Neil Armstrong, and the important line carved on the base of that statue. What is it? One small step for a man, one small step for man, one giant leap of mankind. So as taking step on the moon due to gravitation, it is just like leap, jump. The same way, one small discovery in the field of science is the giant, big, great change, great discovery, or great chance to progress ahead for the human being. Let us see further what is given. The next attraction for children was that they were going to wear spacesuits, and now they were going to experience gravitational force of the moon. So the teacher warned them repeatedly what to do and what to not. Especially, teacher told them not to run or sprint. So here the word sprint also refers to run, steady run, quick run. But still the children didn't listen. They hopped, jumped, and ran away. Ran around. And this way they enjoyed the last day on the moon. So as it was time to leave, one of the shopkeepers was screaming, crying. What is that? It is, he was selling earrings and he was advertising them. he was asking them he was asking children to purchase, to buy. Suddenly he approached Siley. He went to Siley and displayed her the sets of shining stones earrings. So Siley thought of her mother, Siley remembered her mother and decided to purchase those stones earrings for her mother. So as uh, the shopkeeper was asking her repeatedly to purchase, as the earrings are cheaper and better, cheaper and better. He was convincing Siley to take them, to purchase them. So Siley saw the other children had proceeded, went ahead. What she did? She didn't thought of the earrings carefully and purchased them. So what she purchased? Red stone earrings for her mother, and for that she spent 1000 rupees. So Siley took them and ran to catch up with her friends. So when she returned back her home, what she did? She was enthusiastic, she was very happy to give her mother the earrings. And to see those stone earrings, the mother exclaimed, "Hello, dear. How am I going to wear such heavy earrings?" To listen this, Sally shocked, and immediately she realized her mistake. She understood her mistake. What was that? Siley had purchased the earrings in the field of moon's gravity, and because of that they were not as much heavier as they are on the earth. So this is all about the lesson, the souvenir. So what souvenir Siley had or bought? So that is stones earrings. So whenever she would have a look at those earrings, she would recall how she enjoyed the trip on the moon. So this is all about the lesson, the souvenir. I hope you will all understand the story as well as some of the facts about the moon.